What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speak today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to SCH, people, yeah? He is a French rapper, people, yeah? Shout out to all my French people in the building. Hey, you guys are quick with this one. You told me, yo, react to it. And this came out a couple of hours ago, people. Hey, you're lucky, people. I was about to leave the house. You know what? Came back. You're lucky. Something got cancelled for you guys. So I came back home and said, you know what? Forget that. They just cancelled on me. I'm going to react to a lot more other reaction videos, people. But people, let's get into this one right about now. Let's go, people. Let's go, people, man. Let's go. I need to shot this one as well, people. Let's get into this one, man. Let's go.
J'ai quitté ma colline que l'on appelle Garabon, sous un soleil de plomb, où les hommes parlent en chantant et les tissus blancs sèchent au gré du vent. Adieu, je verse une larme sur le quai, les souliers sur le marchepied du wagon.
Can't even lie, people. That you know, that cartoon kind of effect that this looks like is crazy. I actually like this one, man. Like the way it's been like proper edited, and like the director's gone like to like film it and put it as like a cartoon type of like videos type of stuff like that. It's good. I like that, man. Like it just brings like another like element to the video and stuff like that. It's just more creative and stuff. Do you know what I'm saying, people? Like this, it just brings like a whole different type of like vibe to it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but it's sounding good. It's looking good, people. Can't even lie to you.
Sourire vive encore et résonne au fond de mon âme de garçon. Pour définir ce que je suis, les hommes auront sans doute un vieux dicton qui dit que les chiens ne font pas des chats, que l'occasion fait le larron. Paris m'attend, ma ville aussi, maintenant que le train s'éloigne, rapetissé, comme l'espoir des gens d'ici, comme l'espoir des gens d'ici.
Hey. Oh, can this be the change of the beat?
Près des bords de Seine, les artistes peintres.
Oh, it's like the beat was gonna change over, isn't it? Right there. That's crazy, people. Like how the beat was gonna switch up. But this, it's like how comes it didn't like switch up right there and then, innit? Like, yeah, people, man. That's mental. But yeah, people, man. Hey, people, do you reckon like he should have probably had like a artist on this or something like that? Do you reckon it needs like another artist on this? Like, let me know, people, in the comment section. What other artist would you have put on this one if you was this guy here?
Baigne à l'aquarelle, des cathédrales et des tours Eiffel. Quand le jour et la ville se réveillent. Alors, c'est de l'aube, je traverse la ville dans ce tramway derrière la corniche au bout du monde. fasse de l'ombre comme les voiliers qui quittent le port. Je vais lever l'ancre, la revoir en été. Je vais lever l'ancre, ne plus pouvoir en rêver, ne plus pouvoir en rêver. La vie dans chaque soupir, voir défiler les années, ne plus pouvoir en guérir la Méditerranée. Dans sa robe azur, sous son ciel doré, quand revient l'obscur et des instants figés d'amis sur des vieilles photographies. Flâner sur l'écran, boulevard, entrer seul en taxi. Un peu morose et la routine quand l'hiver me chagrine. Mais je reverrai ma colline à la rosée de l'aube. Je traverse la ville dans ce tramway, derrière la corniche, au bout du monde, avant que les années nous fassent de l'ombre comme les voiliers qui quittent le port. Je vais lever l'ancre, la revoir en été. Je vais lever l'ancre, ne plus pouvoir en rêver, en rêver.
There you go, people. There you go, people, man. Hey, this is his new song, people. Can't even lie. He went like a totally different avenue, a totally different lane than he usually does with these videos and stuff. Usually it's just him coming in, like, you know, rapping and stuff, and then you see him just like coming through. You know what I'm saying, people? But no, man. I like this, people. I like this, man. I like the different concept that he's bringing to his videos, his music and stuff like that. It's good. I reckon maybe like a female artist would have been so good in this. Like having a female that's talk or like rapping on this would have been good as well. Like a different perspective, you know what I'm saying? But that's just me and stuff like that. But I reckon a female rapper would have been good. Or even like a female singer. But let me know, people, who would you put on the song if you put a feature on it or not? Or do you like the feature or you like him by himself? Let me know in the comment section.